The process of growing rice could take up to 6 months before it can be harvested, but only take 2 seconds to throw it away. According to the Solid Waste Management and Public Cleansing Corporation, every day, Malaysia produces enough food waste to fill 7 Olympic-sized swimming pools. This means that out of the 38,000 tons of domestic waste daily, 45% or 17,000 tons are food waste, out of which around 4,080 tons are still edible. Food waste can be described as all edible food materials produced for human consumption but left uneaten, either lost or discarded throughout the food supply chain. It is organic waste discarded from various sources including food processing and domestic kitchen, cafeterias or restaurants. Landfill is the more common method for food waste disposal. Landfill is a general and widely accepted method for managing food waste as it is cost-effective and simple to be applied. However, food waste management with landfill has become more difficult as many landfills have reached their capacity in Malaysia. Although it is degradable, the big pile of food waste is bad for the environment.
Food waste at landfills contribute to environmental pollution and global warming due to the release of methane gas resulting from the decomposition process. High methane content can be dangerous to people and the environment because of methane gas is highly flammable. So, the solution to this problem is to convert all the food waste to energy by using anaerobic digestion. Anaerobic digestion occurs naturally in the absence of oxygen as bacteria break down organic material and produce biogas, which can be used as an energy source. A further byproduct of the process is biofertilizer, digested from the process, which is rich in nutrients such as nitrogen, potassium, and other elements required for healthy plant growth and fertile soil.
This project advantage can be deferred to the eco-green competition by replacing fossil fuel that used to make energy. Do you know that the consumption of fossil fuel and their derivative has created an environmental crisis mainly due to greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere? It is important to replace fossil fuel with alternative renewable sources of energy such as agricultural and food waste. Although syngas can be used like conventional natural gas, which is a methane-based fossil fuel, it is different because of its higher consumption of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. These gases can be further converted into high-value bio-based chemicals such as methanol and ammonia. Biomass gasification also generates biochar, which can be used to improve soil fertility, while the production of syngas depends on the type of biomass and technology used. We can get example from the Canadian Atikokan generating station. It produced 205 megawatts of clean electricity. This is enough energy to power about 70,000 residents and commercial buildings.
This product advantage can be deferred to the eco-green competition by replacing fossil fuels that used to make electricity. Do you know that the consumption of fossil fuels and their derivatives has created an environmental crisis, mainly due to greenhouse gas emission in the atmosphere, which has led to climate change? It is important to replace fossil fuels with alternative renewable sources of energy such as agricultural and food waste. Although syngas can be used like a conventional natural gas, which is a methane-based fossil fuel, it is different because of its higher composition of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. These gases can be further converted into high-value bio-based chemicals such as methanol and ammonia. Biomass gasification also generates biochar, which can be used to improve soil fertility. While the production of syngas depends on the type of biomass and technology used, we can get an example from the Canadian Atikokan generating station. For instance, it produced 205 megawatts of clean electricity. This is enough energy to power about 70,000 residential and commercial buildings.